Hello everyone, Grandma here. Today I am making iced tea. This is how my mother made it and how my grandmother made it. So it goes all the way back to the Great Depression. This was my grandmother's iced tea pitcher. I have no idea how old it is, but I know it is very old, at least 50 years old, but probably much older. My mother always had a pitcher of iced tea in her refrigerator all summer. Everyone loved her iced tea. She made it a few different ways, so I will show you how she made it. She always used Lipton's tea bags for her iced tea, so I will be using those. This is very simple and easy to make. It's very cheap too. Once you know how to make good homemade iced tea, you will never buy store-bought tea again. First thing you have to do is fill up a saucepan with cold water, which I already have done, and now I have to put it on medium-high and wait for the water to come to a boil. It's now at a rapid boil, so once it's at a rapid boil, we turn off the heat. I'm adding my 3 tea bags in the water now. It's important to keep the tea bags in the tea while it cools so the tea is nice and strong. That way if you serve it over ice, it doesn't get too watered down. So this is how you make unsweetened tea. Just with water and tea bags. It's very, very simple and easy. Now to make sweetened tea, I'm adding 1/4 cup of sugar to the tea while it is still hot, because you want the sugar to dissolve well. And you could put as much sugar or as little sugar as you want. It's up to you. You could always give the tea a taste. Always give the tea a little taste to see if you want to sweeten it more. Now for me and Grandpa, that's fine because we don't like our tea too sweet. If you don't want sugar, you could always sweeten it with honey. The tea is all ready for the tea bags to come out. Take the tea bags, and now it cooled quite a bit, and it's cooled to the touch, and now we're going to put it in the pitcher. Now I'm going to pour the tea in the pitcher. And my mom used to like to make her tea with lemon, so now I'm putting 2 lemon slices in the tea. Now this is sweetened tea with lemon. Now it has to go into the refrigerator till it gets nice and cool. Grandpa's now going to do the taste test. I'm pouring him a glass of tea. This is the sweetened tea with sugar and lemon. So how does it taste, Grandpa?
Let you know in a minute, Ma. Very good. Lemon, sugar sweetness, the tea, they all come out beautiful. Very refreshing. You did a very good job, Ma.
Thank you, Pa. You know tea is always our favorite drink for the summer, right? Iced tea.
Yes.